Hey fam, another week, another quest to get profitable. As I said, fam, I'm gonna keep everything 100% transparent with you guys. Um, I want it to be a clear indication of what I did and how I went about it. So after this past week, I did a constant introspection, constant looking into myself and how to get better. And I'm currently profiling Alley Trades, and Alley Trades speaks of investing in education. I believe the way forward, I could become profitable on my own, but it just may take a bit longer. So I had a good think about it, and I've I've looked at all the different mentors and what they're offering, and I believe there's someone who shares some similar views to what I have in mind, and I'm gonna invest in one of his courses. So I'll keep you guys informed about that. I don't want to let out anything as yet, as as I did say before I get back to you guys, I'd like to do a thorough investigation with at least a minimum of 100 trades to get a better understanding. So once I have that, once I've gone through the course, I'll keep you guys informed, and yeah, once I've completed the course, I'll definitely let you guys know. Now, in terms of how much it cost, the course costs $250, which is a huge amount for me at the moment. I've got commitments with my family to uphold, so $250 in America, in South Africa is quite a bit uh, in terms of where I am at the moment. So I've decided to break my piggy bank and and borrow from here and there to make things work. So um, I'll I'll give you guys a sneak preview of my breaking my piggy bank. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and I got my little minions to help me. So if you see the girls, know that those are my kids. All right, thanks so much, guys. Cheers, cheers. Family, we're checking my piggy bank and let's see how much we got. But I've got helpers today. Who's helping me here? Tell the people, what's your name? Amaya. And how old is Amaya? 7 years old. Amaya, how much you think that is piggy bank got? Amaya says 200. Let's hope it's more. And who are we speaking to here? Hey, yay, yay. And how much you think we got?
I think we got 500.
500. Okay. I'm going for 700. Okay. There's my piggy bank. Oh, where's the piggy bank? I'm not a good cameraman. Is it in the shot?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna take out the money. All my money I've saved up. And then let's see how much we get. Deuces. Okay, fam. After telling up the my my piggy bank, I can confirm that I only have $50. So, um, got to man up and find another $200 to pay towards the course. I'll I'll keep you guys informed. All right. Much love. Cheers, cheers. No excuses. Only only doing the things. Cheers, cheers.